Welcome to Doranet.com. Today, we are going to see about the brave sparrow, a tale of kindness. Sparrow named Marco. Marco was known throughout the village for his kind heart and adventurous spirit. But one day, a great fire swept through the village, destroying homes and leaving many families homeless and hungry. Despite the danger, Marco knew he had to do something to help his friends and neighbors. With each trip into the inferno, Marco's wings grew weary, but his determination never wavered. Eventually, Marco's courage caught the attention of the villagers, and they joined together to help extinguish the fire and rebuild their home. And though Marco may have been just a humble sparrow, his legacy lives on as a reminder that even the smallest acts of kindness can make a big difference. See you later, bye.